Very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Mr. Mabudur Rahman, Assistant Professor in Kekewa College of Food Technology in Food Engineering Department. Today, I will cover a numerical problem based on evaporation. So, see here the numerical problem. Numerical is concentration. A solution of common salt in water is prepared by adding 20 kg of salt to 100 kg of water. To make a liquid of density 1323 kg per meter cube, calculate the concentration of salt in this solution as first weight fraction, second one is the weight volume fraction, and C1 is mole fraction and D1 is molar concentration. So see here how to calculate all these value through this numerical problem. We are seeing here that what 20 kilogram of salt which will be mixed into 100 kilogram of water to make a liquid of density how much 1323 kilogram per meter cube. First of all, we want to calculate weight fraction. So see here how we will calculate the weight fraction. We know that that will be solute upon solvent plus solute. In this way we calculate our weight fraction, right? So here the value of solute is given 20 kilogram. So we put here 20 kilogram upon 100 is our 100 kilogram is our solvent, and again we take plus 20, and in this way when we divide 20 upon 120 we obtain 0.167, right? So when we change this weight fraction into the percentage, right? So we multiplied with 100. So when we multiplied with 100 means when we multiplied 0.167 into 100, so we obtained how much value? 16.7%. That is the percentage of weight fraction. Okay, right? Second one, we want to calculate weight upon volume fraction, right? And here in A we want to calculate what? Percentage weight upon weight. So the percentage weight upon weight, that will be equal to how much? 16.7%, right? Next one is weight upon volume fraction. When we calculate, we know that a density is given how much? 1323 kilogram per meter cube. It means that 1 meter cube of solution weigh 1323 kilogram, but 1323 kilogram of salt solution contains how much? So when we calculate it, 20 into 1323 kilogram salt upon what? 100 plus 20. So we obtained how much? 220.5 kilogram salt per meter cube. And 1 meter cube solution contain how much? 220.5 kilogram salt, right? So weight upon volume fraction, that will be equal to how much? 220.5 divided by 1000. No, into 1000. So we obtained how much? 0.2205. So when we calculate in percentage weight upon volume, so we obtain how much? 22.1. So when we multiplied it with how much? Into 100, right? So we obtain the value of our weight upon volume fraction, that is 22.1, right? And moles of water, that will be calculated 100 upon 18. So it obtained moles of water 5.56, and moles of salt when we calculate 20 upon 58.5, then we obtain 0.34. So when we calculate mole fraction of salt, that will be depends on moles of salt and water, solute upon solvent. So 0.34 upon 5.56 plus 0.34, right? So we obtain, when we calculate, we obtain the mole fraction of salt is 0.058, right? And the last one, we want to calculate the molar concentration, and molar concentration, that is denoted as capital M. This will be equal to 220.5 upon 58.5. So when we divide it, we obtain 3.77 moles in 1 meter cube. So in this way we calculate all values. Okay, thank you for watching. Once again, thank you.